Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on euro dollar. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that euro dollar currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall direction in the market. Now, from the monthly, we can see that euro dollar is a long term bullish market. We see this with this monthly impulse. Euro dollar has created this move followed by this correction. Now, with that correction, we saw that euro dollar previous 2 months has created another move to the upside. Now, with that move, euro dollar, this current monthly candle so far, we saw that couldn't break the monthly resistance level. Instead, the price has rejected again towards the downside. Now, with that rejection, we saw that euro dollar currently just tested the important monthly level of support. And we saw that primarily the price again bouncing to the upside. Now, because this is a long term bullish market, we could see that euro dollar again created this impulse, has come down for a correction to to an important level. We can expect now euro dollar to have another bounce to the upside as we see that lower time frame price action showing bullish momentum. Now if we look at the weekly price action, we see that from the weekly perspective, euro dollar previous week was in a very strong drop and has come to an important level here. Now if we take our Fibonacci from the weekly, we saw that this is the starting of this move followed by a correction. And if we take the Fibonacci starting of the move to the end of the move, we can see that euro dollar has come to 38.2% Fibonacci level, and then we see the market again rejecting towards that upside. Now because it's a long term bullish market, we saw that there is a liquidity trigger here, and the sellers not finding enough strength for this market to sell. Instead, we see the buyers again pushing that price high. With that move, we could see that euro dollar again going to this liquidity zone, as there is a weekly dodges back to back opening and closing can provide a high liquidity zone. And what I think that euro dollar might continue to rise up to again to that important liquidity zone from the weekly perspective, giving a very high probability on the lower time frame to remain bullish on euro dollar. Now if we look at the daily, this is the previous daily candle. We saw that there is a narrow doji on the daily and the price failed to create a new lower low. The way the price action is forming, highly likely that as it is a long term bullish market, the price has consolidated, has broken towards the downside. We could see that now euro dollar slowly pushing to the upside, creating series of higher high and higher low. What I think that euro dollar might continue to rise to break this resistance, especially above this green daily candle. There is a huge liquidity, and we could see that euro dollar creating series of higher high and higher low and moving to the upside. Now monthly, weekly and daily giving euro dollar a very high probability for potential movement to the upside. Now let's look at further lower time frame to see how the price action is doing. Now this is the lower time frame price action. We see that euro dollar grabbing multiple times liquidity and moving to the upside. Now this current session's candle, as you can see, has grabbed huge liquidity from the support. The price now slowly moving to the upside. Now highly likely that euro dollar will continue to rise. As a result, we are already on a successful long trade along this zone, and we will be adding position as soon as we will find suitable entry on euro dollar again on the lower time frame. What I think that this market now prepared for another bullish move, and we could see the market is pushing to the upside. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.